I'm a believer that the text after the first date should be immediately after the first date. That's usually the, hey, just checking in, making sure that you made it home all right, wait for their response, and then letting them know it's like, I really had fun tonight. I would love to do this again sometime. I'm free next weekend. If you're free, I'd love to get together on, and you just pick a day. Usually that's a great way for you to really make your intentions very clearly known, like, hey, I would like to do this again. And it's also you taking initiative in starting the second date on the first date, really putting the ball in their court, let them know, hey, these are the days that work for me. And you'll find out very quickly if one, they enjoy themselves, two, if they want to go on a second date with you, and three, avoid that dating limbo of the, well, how many days do I have to wait before texting them back? I know some people subscribe to the 72-hour rule. Personally, I'm a big believer in texting people when you want to text them, because I think as adults, and especially as men, you should be direct when it comes to dating. And I'm a big believer in seizing the moment whenever the opportunities present themselves.